To add or remove time limit from apps in Xiaomi Redmi A5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our smartphone device. Next step is to look down for the apps section. Move down again and select the screen time. Right here we should be able to find all of the apps below that we're using. If you cannot see them all, click on show all and that way you will see all of the apps. So then what you need to do is on some of the apps you will find a button like this. Click on it and then you'll be able to add a specific time on how much you can use this app, after which this app will be blocked for entire day. So we just set a 55 minutes mark on the app mall right here. So if I open it and will be using it for 55 minutes, then the app after 55 minutes will lock and I won't be able to use it for the rest of that day. We can then disable this limit by clicking on the button again and then delete the limit like that. And that is basically everything.